Yeah, so we make induction systems. We engineer and design the systems to meet your process needs. Initially, when I pull someone from the aisle that's walking down, they say, we don't do induction hardening. And I said, we don't focus on induction hardening either. Let's show you some of these other applications. Let's talk about metal plastic. Let's talk about shrink fitting. Let's talk about brazing. Let's talk about preheating for welding. There are a lot of applications that people don't normally think about. Hi, I'm Justin from Ambrell. We specialize in induction heating solutions. So I have a steel tube that I'll place inside the coil. The steel tube will turn to cherry red, and this will be an example of how you would heat the part. So you're evaporating water, and you see a nice glow on the tube. It's so local that was cherry red, and I can touch it right there. So induction heating is a technology that applies heat to a metal for joining, forming, soldering, shrink fitting, many different applications where you use a torch or an oven. So we have specialized coils that are specific to the application and process to give you the heat in the area that you need it. So this is very repeatable, precise, energy efficient form of heating. So here's a metal plastic insertion application. So typically you get into your car, you never think about the car door handle, but it's plastic. How do you screw a screw into plastic? So you would take the metal insert, you would insert it into the coil, heat it to the desired temperature in a few seconds, and then swage it, insert it into the plastic door handle. So how do you make a bond between a plastic tube and the top? Between the plastic cap, you take an aluminum foil, you put it inside the cap, you screw it on, put it into an induction coil, you heat it, it heats up the adhesive, bonds the aluminum foil to the tube, and you have a completed process, all within seconds. So it's very precise and controlled. You can use PID control loops, you can use infrared pyrometers, thermocouples, whatever kind of process input variable you need to measure temperature, but you can be within plus or minus 5 degrees. So some of the larger applications for induction heating are for large growing crystals. We'll heat crucibles that are 1.5 feet diameter and 3 feet tall. We've done large bridge gears that are 1 meter in diameter, 1 foot tall. So there are a lot of large applications. We've heated pipes that are 26 feet long, about 5-6 inch diameter.
Today we are producing equipment that goes into 50 different countries, and we have an installed base of greater than 15,000 units worldwide.
We design and manufacture the equipment so that you can purchase the systems and implement into your process.